Want to fix the no internet connection error on TikTok? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First, you want to reset your network. For that, toggle on the airplane mode on. Then wait for a couple of seconds. After that, you want to turn it off again. This should reset your network. Next thing you want to do is switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data until you have a stable connection. Next, clear TikTok's cache. For that, open up your settings. Tap on apps, select TikTok. Then you want to scroll down and find storage. Tap on that. Here, tap on clear cache. Then you want to update the TikTok app. Open up Play Store. Now tap on the search bar. Here, search for TikTok. Now, if you find the update option, simply tap on that option and update the application to the latest version. Updates often fix connectivity bugs. After that, you want to force quit TikTok and reopen the app again. To force quit, you want to close the TikTok application completely. Now reopen it and check. If you still see no internet connection, check TikTok server status online. You may need to wait for them to resolve an outage if there is an issue. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.